Hello, Primary 3! Here we are again for a new lesson. Have you ever noticed that plants need sunlight to live? It seems sort of strange, doesn't it? How can sunlight be a type of food? Well, plants need three basic things to live and make their own food. As you can see in the photo in front of you, plants need sunlight from the sun, carbon dioxide from the air, and water and salts from the soil. When plants breathe carbon dioxide in, they breathe out oxygen. Plants are the major source of oxygen on Earth and help keep us alive. We know now that plants use sunlight as energy, carbon dioxide from air, and water and salts from the soil. The plant cell take these components to a place called chloroplast. It is like a kitchen to produce oxygen for us to breathe and sugar and starch, which are the plant's food. The process of taking these three components and making them into food is called photosynthesis. Okay, now how plants take the sunlight? Plants take the sunlight using a compound called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll gives the plants the green color and it takes the sunlight. Summary. The plants need sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to live. They take these three components and use chlorophyll that gives the plant the green color to help convert them into food. In the chloroplast, which is like a kitchen to produce oxygen and sugar and starch, which are the plant's food. This process called photosynthesis. All plants use photosynthesis, so they all need some sunlight. Okay, coconuts, this is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye.
If you want to know how a plant grows, it takes water, air and sunlight and makes cellulose. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. Unlike me and you, plants need CO2, and they make oxygen that stops us turning blue. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. It's a miracle how all the chlorophyll captures sunlight in the leaves of the plants and the trees. A plant of any size can do it if it tries, but we're not green, so we can't photosynthesize. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. It's a miracle how all the chlorophyll captures sunlight in the leaves of the plants and the trees. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. Photosynthesis.